warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sekarang kita berada di sungai kecil. Kita mau menuju ke terjun. Kita lihat indahnya alam di Sarharaya, tepatnya di Kampung Sarharaya, Kecamatan Pasie Raya, Kabupaten Aceh Jaya. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saat ini kami lagi di dalam pencarian ikan di suasana sungainya di Sarharaya ini. Sungai kecil, namun ikannya sangat memuaskan sini. Mungkin tempat ini belum banyak yang tahu, namun ini tempat yang sangat indah menurut kami. Karena dengan pedoman-pedoman dengan tempat lain, tempat ini lebih menarik. Karena ikan ini alami semua, tidak ada yang mencemari. Ya, makanya yuk ikuti.
Handai susah hati, tak lagi mencari. Kaulah jantung hati, bersamaku lagi. Sungguh kau buat terlena, betul aku terpesona. Berjadade getanya dua, ku minta cara pagi bancara, tanah blanku pegalang, bulan ke abang batanda. Begini cara, begitu cara, laut leku pegalang.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger
Halo guys,
picture.
oke guys, kita udah sampai ke air terjun.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh.